Leeds is one of the UK's fastest growing cities, home to over 750,000 people. Yet whilst thousands struggle to find a decent, affordable place to rent or buy, nearly 5,000 homes stand empty. And as well as being a real waste, empty homes can cause problems for neighbours and headaches for the local council. This is where empty home social enterprises Latch, Canopy and Gipsil come in. Between them, they have over 40 years' experience sorting out empty homes, working closely with the council's empty homes team and with the empty homes doctors at Leeds Empties. Since 2012, Latch, Canopy and Gipsil have been able to access government funding through the Empty Homes Community Grant Scheme. Between them, they've secured over £2.3 million to spend on empty homes in Leeds. And on the back of that, they've attracted funding and investment from a range of other sources and used their own reserves, meaning they've been able to spend over £4 million on bringing homes back into use in the last 3 years. This money has been spent purchasing and renovating 46 long-term empty homes in inner city Leeds. This one in East End Park had been empty 5 years. Gipsil undertook a full refurb and now a family of 3 have a decent place to call home. This home in Harehills was bought by Latch after the company that owned it went into administration. It's now home to a family of 4 and is one of 4 houses that Latch now own in the area. This home, also in Harehills, was boarded up and had been empty over 3 years when Canopy bought it in 2014. Following a full refurb, it's now home to a family of 5. Bringing empty homes back into use brings other benefits too. In the last 3 years, the social enterprises have worked with 135 volunteers, helping people to gain valuable skills and build confidence. We're all ambitious to do much more, and we'd like to invite you to continue to work with us to bring more empty homes back into use in Leeds.